Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring basics are ready. Update the OS and reboot because OneDrive often blocks sign-in during pending installs. Next, verify your network. Use Ethernet or a stable 2.4/5 GHz Wi-Fi to avoid auth timeouts. Now open OneDrive and choose Sign-in. Enter your Microsoft account email. If multi-factor is enabled, complete the verification immediately. These steps prevent common interruptions, so credentials can be validated without extra errors. Once signed out, clear old credentials in Credential Manager. Stale tokens cause failed logins. Then reset the OneDrive app. Use the settings menu Reset or Run OneDrive. exe/reset on Windows. This rebuilds the local cache and forces fresh authentication. Also confirm system clock and region match your Microsoft account. Time drift breaks token validation. After reset, reopen OneDrive and sign in again. If prompted, allow permissions so file syncing can resume securely and without permission conflicts. Complete the process by reauthorizing OneDrive and selecting the folders you want to sync. This reduces initial load and sync conflicts. Make sure your account isn't over quota and that shared folder permissions allow syncing. If sign-in still fails, sign out of OneDrive on other devices to avoid concurrent session issues, or sign in via the web to confirm credentials. Key troubleshooting tip: if errors persist, capture the exact error code and test with a new local user profile to isolate account versus machine problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.